Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Cars. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Honda Ridgeline, a mid-size pickup truck that's making waves with its modern design, advanced technology, and impressive performance upgrades. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the latest car news and reviews. Now, let's jump right in and see what the new Ridgeline has to offer. The Honda Ridgeline has always been a bit different from traditional body-on-frame trucks like the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and Chevy Colorado. It's built on a unibody platform, giving it a smooth ride, car-like handling, and excellent comfort while still being rugged enough for light off-roading and work tasks. With the 2026 model, Honda has made some bold improvements to keep it competitive in the ever-growing midsize truck market. The 2026 Ridgeline gets a completely refreshed exterior design that makes it look more aggressive and truck-like than before. Honda has ditched the softer, crossover-like appearance of previous models and given the Ridgeline a boxier, more muscular stance. Up front, there's a bold new grille with a chunky Honda emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that now come with adaptive high beams. The hood is sculpted, adding to the rugged aesthetic, and the front bumper has a more pronounced skid plate for off-road appeal. Moving to the sides, the Ridgeline gets new 18-inch and optional 20-inch alloy wheels, beefier all-terrain tires, and flared fenders that give it a tougher presence. The truck bed remains one of the best in the segment, with Honda's exclusive in-bed trunk, dual-action tailgate, and integrated tie-down cleats. At the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with a sleeker LED signature, and the rear bumper now includes integrated corner steps for easier access to the bed. The Ridgeline's signature dual-action tailgate, which can open traditionally or swing out to the side, remains a big selling point. Honda has packed the 2026 Ridgeline with more power and efficiency than ever before. Under the hood, it features an updated 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 310 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, a slight bump from the previous model. This engine is mated to a new 10-speed automatic transmission, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. For the first time, Honda is also offering a Ridgeline Hybrid, a 3.5L V6 paired with an electric motor, delivering 360 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful Ridgeline ever. This hybrid model is aimed at buyers who want better fuel economy and towing capacity without sacrificing power. All Ridgeline models come standard with Honda's iVTM4 trademark all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability in various conditions, including snow, mud, and sand. When it comes to towing and payload capacity, the 2026 Honda Ridgeline continues to impress. The gasoline model can tow up to 5,500 pounds, while the hybrid version bumps that up to 6,000 pounds, making it competitive with other midsize trucks. The payload capacity is around 1,600 pounds, which is great for a unibody truck. The 2026 Ridgeline also gets a suspension upgrade, improving ride comfort and off-road capability. Honda has tuned the shocks and springs for a more planted feel on the highway while enhancing articulation for light off-roading adventures. Inside, the 2026 Ridgeline gets a massive technology overhaul, making it one of the most high-tech midsize trucks on the market. The dashboard is completely redesigned, featuring a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an upgraded 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system runs on Honda's latest infotainment software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and built-in Google Assistant. A premium 12-speaker Bose audio system is available on higher trims, ensuring an immersive sound experience. Honda has also improved interior materials, with soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and high-quality leather options. The Ridgeline's seats are more supportive, offering ventilation and heating, making long drives more comfortable. The rear seats remain spacious, with class-leading legroom, and Honda has added under-seat storage for extra utility. Honda is known for its advanced safety technology, and the 2026 Ridgeline is no exception. It comes with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, 360-degree camera system with parking assist. The hybrid model also comes with a semi-autonomous driving mode, allowing for hands-free highway cruising. One of the biggest improvements in the 2026 Ridgeline is its fuel efficiency. The standard V6 model achieves 21 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, which is slightly better than its predecessor. The hybrid version, however, delivers an impressive 27 mpg city and 32 mpg highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient trucks in its class. Honda will offer the 2026 Ridgeline in several trims. Sport starts at $42,000, featuring a V6 engine, AWD, and standard tech features. RTL, around $46,000, adding leather seats, a sunroof, and upgraded interior materials. RTLE, estimated at $50,000, offering a premium audio system, advanced safety features, and heated, ventilated seats. Trail Sport, priced around $52,000, built for off-road enthusiasts with skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a raised suspension. Hybrid Touring, expected to cost $55,000, providing the most power, efficiency, and luxury features. The 2026 Honda Ridgeline is an excellent choice for buyers looking for a refined, tech-loaded, and fuel-efficient midsize truck. It's more rugged and capable than ever, with better performance, smarter features, and a hybrid option that sets it apart from the competition. Pros: checkmark smooth ride and excellent handling. Checkmark powerful V6 and hybrid options. Checkmark high-tech, spacious, and comfortable interior. Checkmark Honda sensing safety feature standard. Checkmark innovative truck bed storage and dual-action tailgate. Cons: Crossmark still not a hardcore off-roader like Tacoma or Ranger. Crossmark hybrid model gets expensive. Crossmark lower towing capacity than some body-on-frame rivals. The 2026 Ridgeline is an evolution of an already great truck, improving where it matters while staying true to its roots. Whether you need it for daily driving, light off-roading, or weekend adventures, it's a solid choice. What do you think about the new Ridgeline? Would you go for the V6 or hybrid version? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.